A box contains 3 red chips and 2 green chips. Chips are drawn randomly, one at a time, without replacement, until all 3 of the reds are drawn, or until both green chips are drawn. What is the probability that the 3 reds are drawn before both greens? The choices are 3/10, 2/5, 1/2, 3/5, and 2/3. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Here is the key idea. Instead of stopping early, imagine we just keep drawing and line up all 5 chips in the random order they come out. The reds win when the 3rd red appears before the 2nd green. Now think about the very last chip in that line of 5. If the last chip is green, then the 2nd green hasn't come out until the very end. So all 3 reds must already be out. The reds win. But if the last chip is red, then both greens came out before that final red. So the greens win. So the reds win exactly when the last chip is green. So all we need is the probability that the last chip is green. There are 2 greens out of 5 chips, and every chip is equally likely to be last. So that probability is 2/5. The answer is choice B, 2/5.